Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another Simple Learning 101 tutoring video. In today's lesson, we're going to meet the atom. But before we begin, we kindly ask for you to hit that like and subscribe buttons so that we can bring you more tutoring videos just like this one. Also, don't forget to share this video with your family and friends, as they too might need help in their learning. So let's begin. Before we can talk about an atom, we need to speak about the word matter. Matter is defined as any substance that has mass and that occupies space. This definition is applied to things you can see and things that are not visible to your eye. Here we have some examples of things that you can see and things you cannot see. In things you could see, we see on the left hand side a picture of the Statue of Liberty, a boat, the water, the land around the statue, and the clouds. All of this has matter. In the middle picture, we see the man. The man has a hat, clothing, sunglasses. Each one is matter. Look at the plane. The plane has metal on the outside, but on the inside it has passengers, luggage, clothing, and other things. All this is matter. Now on the right hand side, we see the gentleman and the girl inside the car. We see the street, the apartment, the buildings, the trees, the light, the painting on the floor. All this is matter. Now, things that you can't see with your eye, well, for those things, we use a microscope right here, like on the left hand side. The microscope is something we could use visually, and if we need to enhance that picture, we use the camera plus the monitor of the computer to help us zoom in or zoom out if in case we have that capability in software. In the second picture, we see a microscopic object that is only visible through the microscope. It's like a miniature colony. These are microbes. Now let's introduce the atom. All matter is composed of small particles called atoms. This is the definition of an atom. Small particles called atoms. Everything that is visible or non-visible have one or more atoms working together to make up that substance. An atom is composed of a proton, which is positively charged, a neutron, which has no charge, and an electron, which is negatively charged. For right now, we can think of charges as forces, like a wind pushing you from your left hand side, and then another charge or another force or wind pushing you from the right hand side. If both forces hit each other, then they cancel out. Think of it as good versus evil. In this drawing, we see an example of an atom. This atom has two positive protons in purple, two neutrons in light green blue, which have zero charge, and we see a cloud of electrons, two to be exact. They're negatively charged, but you can't see them right now because they're moving so fast around the nucleus of the atom, and around the nucleus is the neutrons and the protons. So this area is a nucleus, and this area are the atoms. This is an example of a single atom, one of many different types of atoms. This is the smallest possible thing one can see with a microscope. Now imagine many atoms, similar and different types of atoms, working together to create a substance that is visible or non-visible to the naked eye. They bond together to form a substance. The more, the bigger the product. For example, a diamond ring, or that plane or car people saw in the previous pictures. The smallest things working together, combining, and we have this beauty, the diamond. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. If at any point you got confused, just stop, rewind, and replay this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click on the video list and playlist to see all our content. Remember, you're never too old to learn. See you next time.